Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Planet Zoo for beginners. To start your zoo building adventure, begin with the career mode. This mode is fantastic for learning the fundamental mechanics and objectives of the game. Your first steps should involve placing essential facilities like power generators, water treatment plants, and staff buildings. Then, choose a simple, easy-to-care-for animal, such as a warthog or a peafowl, for your very first habitat. Always ensure your animals have plenty of space, fresh food, and engaging enrichment items to keep them happy and healthy. Keeping your animals happy is paramount in Planet Zoo. Regularly monitor their welfare by checking the Animal Information Panel, which details all their needs. When designing habitats, remember to tailor the terrain, foliage, and temperature to each specific species. Providing a variety of enrichment items is crucial for keeping your animals stimulated and content. Always maintain proper enclosure sizes. For instance, ensure at least 100 square meters of space for smaller animals to thrive comfortably. Happy animals mean happy guests and a successful zoo. To transfer your Clash of Clans village to a new device, simply log into the same Google Play Games or Apple Game Center account on your new device. Once logged in, open Clash of Clans, and your saved village should automatically load. This process works seamlessly for transfers between Android devices or between iOS devices. It's a convenient way to keep your progress across multiple devices within the same operating system. A well-run zoo relies heavily on its dedicated staff and continuous research. Hire a balanced team including keepers, mechanics, veterinarians, and facility workers to cover all aspects of park operation. Assign your staff to specific work zones to optimize their efficiency and ensure every area of your park is properly maintained. Investing in research is crucial. It unlocks new animals, buildings, and vital habitat improvements. Remember to train your staff regularly to enhance their skills and boost overall productivity, leading to a smoother and more successful zoo experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.